What's up, lifers? Today we're going to go outside and we're going to geocache. I'll explain in a minute, but first... Ooh, got some new valve caps. Like a king. Alright, roll the video.
Let's go!
So if you haven't heard of geocaching, you're probably wondering what it is. Geocaching is basically just a worldwide treasure hunt, and how it works is you go onto your phone, there's a geocaching app, they also have a website that you can go to, but the easiest way is to just use the app on the phone, and what you do is you go on the app, you look at a map of your current area, and it'll tell you exactly where these geocaches are, or treasures are. And basically you just click on one of them, it'll tell you the details about it, it'll tell you, where it's located, what kind of terrain you're going to be facing to get to it. There might be comments from other users that have found the geocache, maybe they might give you little tips or photos or something, and just everything about that geocache is going to be in that listing. So once you've selected what geocache you want to go to, all you got to do is go into your phone, press start navigation, and then it'll show you a compass, and it'll tell you exactly where to go. As you get closer to the geocache, it's going to be a little harder to find because the positional accuracy of the GPS isn't going to be right on point. So you're going to be within, I don't know, it just depends. Maybe, let's just say 50 feet of the item. And you're going to have to look around. It's not going to be just in plain sight. It's going to be hidden somewhere. Remember, these things are all over the world, and nobody knows about it unless you're part of the club. Alright, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and check out the geocaching app. I'm going to pick one that's around my local area around here. I'm going to take the skateboard right out to that location, and then we'll see what we can find. Alright guys, we'll see you there. Alright, so I checked out the geocaching app on my phone, and I found that there's actually one right nearby. So I'm going on, and I'm riding my skateboard down to that area. Once we get down there, we'll go ahead and search for it and see what we can find. Okay, so I used the app to get to this spot. Now I just need to search around the area and try and find the geocache. Looking for something small. In each geocache listing, it tells you whether it's a small or large or medium box. And this one happens to be pretty small. Guess what, guys? I found it. Alright, let's see what's inside. Alright, so each geocache might have a little tag or something. See, here it is. The travel bug. So this is actually a tracking tag. And you can track the tag and see where it's been. So it has a code on it. You just go onto the app or the website, type in the code, and then you'll see where the travel bug has been. We're allowed to take this, we just need to put it back in another geocache. So the whole point is to get this thing to travel to different locations. So that's pretty cool. There aren't always travel bugs in these caches, so that's kind of a rarity. There's a little cap thing, sometimes you just find little trinkets. And then there's always a log for people to write in whatever they want. Unfortunately, I didn't bring a pen, so tip number one, guys, always bring a pen when ordinary geocaching. So that's geocaching. It's basically a worldwide treasure hunt. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff away, and then we will probably just go out on another ride and try out another geocache. See you then. Oh, I tried to go through the sand. Didn't work. Alright, so I've already recorded this clip before, but I found out that I was actually using the iPhone mic and I didn't put my external microphone on, so now I'm recording this a second time. But anyways, here's the clock tower, and there's a geocache nearby somewhere around here, and then also here's the Great Wall of Chicago. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and find that geocache. I think it's right along the wall over there. So I just had to walk about a few hundred feet down this way, and this geocache is pretty easy to find. Right in this wall here. Take this rock out. There it is. So that's geocaching, guys. It's basically just a worldwide treasure hunt. You can do it anywhere, anytime. So if you're ever out there, maybe traveling different countries, or you're just chilling at home, you can literally just go outside, go look for a geocache, and have some fun. Thanks, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe if you like these videos, and share it, and yeah, I appreciate it. See you in the next video. Peace.